Good day, everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. Scales, syrups, coffee in containers, a tamper, pitcher. Now, this may look a little different to you. Well, they're different. Well, folks, once again, welcome to my kitchen. Yeah, I know, but what I'm going to do, can't do out in the woodlot, and I've got to stay out of the woodlot, at least for a while, until the snow covers things well. I'm going to put this up here so you can sort of get a hint. Okay. Any bets? Poison ivy? Yeah. I haven't put anything on it yet this morning after my shower. Okay, today, what's my aim? Well, you remember I did introduce you to GITWE. I'm going to put it right up here so you can read it. Okay. You can pause it and read it all about the beans. So, this is one of the first ways I'm going to try these coffee beans. Now, why did I pick that? Well, remember earlier I showed you my coffee maker. We have graduated somewhat. Okay, yeah, the rocket, and it's a beaut. Okay, so I'm going to weigh into the scales. Now, I'm going to go with a lighter dose. I'm using the second portafilter, which is a 1 cup one, 1 ounce one, sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to weigh, and I'm going to aim for about, I'm going to say about 11 grams. And I'm guessing okay, little bit too much there, Ted. Okay, 10.9. That's good. And it may be that it's not enough. The portafilter I'm using, yes, this is the double that is normally used to make 2 ounces, and it's hot because I was heating it up. But I decided to switch to this one. Okay, it's just doing 1 smaller basket inside. So that's what we're going to be working for. I'm leaving the grinder set for the beans I normally use, and we'll go from there. Now, we're going to cheat a little bit. And excuse the noise, please. There may be still a little touch left. Yeah. Come on, get down there. Okay, so I've leveled it off roughly. I don't have a pad yet. And I'm going to guess that I was pretty close. Let's just see here. Okay, it's down just about the right amount. Maybe it could have been a little bit more. Okay. Now, all I need to do, and I'm timing it. It takes, on the other portafilter, about 7 to 10 seconds to start. Here it started at 8 seconds, which is just about right. So the grind is not far off. Temperature and pressure are holding. Okay. Now I may have gone a little much on there. Today I'm cheating. I want to use this. Okay? I like it and I don't use it much. And I'm taking my hot water, and it's hot. Okay. Now I realize it's not going to look okay though. There's the shot. You can see it's got nice, rich color, crema. First off, I will cheat a bit. Now, watching many people, they always jiggle, stir that way. James says stir it. Matter of fact, he has spoons small that he uses for that. I want a taste of this. Okay. Inhaled it. Bad deal. Not bad. And the strength, yes. So, now I realize we don't have a clear glass, and that glass wouldn't have done. Don't you wish you had a drink? I gotta admit, the flavor is different. Way different. And not a bad different either, okay? I'm accustomed to, okay, this bag will be upside down, so I'll have to tip it. This is what I'm accustomed to using. And I have to, okay. Now, it's roasted right here in town. Sorry, the city, Winnipeg. And that's what I use for almost everything. I like that coffee. This is also great. Totally different. Totally different. But it's great. And so, now, that is, to me, test one. We'll just test it, and we've done that. Now, I wanted to have a drink of it, just like that, because I have two friends that don't use creamer, sweetener, any of that kind of stuff. We'll call them G and R. That's a good name, actually. There's a business not far from here called G and R. Anyway, they live in Winnipeg, and they have sworn off milk, cream, sugar, sweetener, and good for you guys. That turned out just right. Normally I would make a Chemex that makes 4 mugs of coffee, so with my neighbor, I, and them, we could sit here and have coffee and visit. Well, we're not going to be doing that probably until spring. I hate to say it, with this virus going around. So, in the meantime, I know I got a good mix. I'm going to use a little bit more coffee in it. And next time I won't decide to inhale as I'm taking a slurp. That was bad news. Okay, thank you for being with me. Thank you for joining my coffee experiment. And we're going to try the Chemex, the AeroPress, the Hario V60. Yeah, with this grinder, I can go fine enough that we can also use it for the mocha pot. And we're going to try this coffee on all of them, because since I have it, I want, a really nice coffee to experiment with. And then not saying mine is not nice, because I love it. But, something imported, something great. I want to try it with all of them. and let you know how it turns out for me. And I'll do my best to make them turn out well. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. And have yourself a fine day. And if you would, before you click off, if you would click the like, share too. Go ahead and share. Subscribe. Comments. Yeah, comments are always welcome. I got some fantastic comments in the mail yesterday and today. I appreciate you folks and look forward to talking with you again real soon. All the best. God bless. Ted's Clear.